Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, all, and also Jumma Mubarak. I hope you all are well, and I am also well. My name is MD Monur Rahman Mridul. You may call me Mridul. This is my nickname. I am from Pabna. Today, my topic is hometown. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, I am from Pabna. This is a small district which is Rajshahi division, which is in Rajshahi division. There are many historical place in my town, like Pabna Science and Technology University or Pabna Edward College, which is the most famous university in Asia. And there are also a medical college in my district, which is Pabna Government Medical College Hospital. And there are also a big institute in my district, which is mental hospital. And currently I live in Rajshahi, but I miss my hometown so much.